Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Today you are walking through 6251 South Jamaica Court with me, located in Englewood, Colorado. All the details about the property are in the description box below. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for joining me for another tour today. Let me know what you think of the property and the price point in the comments below. Also, I'm working through whether or not I should do these voiceover videos or if I should do the walkthroughs in person and record myself in them. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments. Thanks again.